So, nori sheet, shiny side down. Break up some lettuce, spinach. This gives obviously a filler, but it also protects the sheet from getting too wet from the ingredients inside. Because that can be the problem with the raw sushi, it can become too wet. So do that, and then we've got some home sprouted alfalfa. And then I now put the wet kind of pate. This is the avocado wasabi dip. Produce a seed pate inside. Today I'm using marinated asparagus, carrot and red pepper. Okay. So when you've got all that in, dry your hands. Right, now hold on to the mat and the sheet, and then keep your ingredients in the middle as much as you can. And pull back, keeping the sheet where it is. Now roll over again, pull back, tightening it with 2 hands. Roll over, pull back, keeps it tight. It's the same principle as using rice, but we're just using salad. And then roll over, and then just put onto the dry chopping board. Sharp knife, I cut on the angle, and there we have. Okay.